Greetings to all. Today we are going to see Biology chapter Reproduction in Animals. Modes of reproduction. There are two modes of reproduction: sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction. The type of reproduction beginning from the fusion of male and female gametes is known as sexual reproduction. In this process of sexual reproduction, a male and a female gametes fuse to form a single cell called zygote. This zygote gradually develops into an adult similar to the parents. The individuals that grows from a zygote receives characters of both the parents. Asexual reproduction. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, no fusion of gametes takes place for the production of zygote or offspring. The reproductive parts in human and the process of reproduction in them. In humans, male and female reproductive parts are present in separate individuals. Male reproductive organ. Male human reproductive organ contain a pair of testes, two sperm ducts, and a penis. The testes produce the male gametes called sperm. The sperm ducts carry sperm to penis. The penis is used for ejecting sperm. Human sperm. A human sperm is unicellular. It has a head, a middle piece, and a tail. Female reproductive organs. Female human reproductive organ contain a pair of ovaries which produce female gametes called ova, that is egg. Oviduct. A single nurtured egg is released into the oviduct by one of the ovaries every month. Uterus. Uterus is the part where development of the baby takes place. Egg, that is ovum. Like a sperm, an egg is also a single celled. It contains a nucleus and the cytoplasm. The egg may be very small as in humans, much larger as in ducks and hens. Ostrich egg is the largest egg. Fertilization. The fusion of a sperm with an egg is called fertilization. During fertilization, the nuclei of the sperm and the egg fuse to form a single nucleus. This results in the formation of a fertilized egg called zygote. Fertilization may be internal and external. Internal fertilization. Fertilization which takes place inside the body of the female is called internal fertilization. For example, as in humans, dogs, cows, birds, etc. External fertilization. Fertilization which takes place outside the body of the female is called external fertilization. It is very common in aquatic animals such as fish, starfish, and amphibians, that is, animals who live in water as well as on land such as frog. What is embryo? The stage when cells produce the division of the zygote begin to form groups that develop into different tissues and organs of the body is termed as an embryo. What is fetus? The stage of embryo in which all the body parts can be identified is known as fetus. What is viviparous? The animals such as dog, lion, elephant, cat, etc., which give birth to young ones are called viviparous. What is oviparous? The animals such as lizards, butterfly, crow, and hen which lay eggs that hatches and give rise to young ones are called oviparous. Life cycle of animals. Sexually reproducing animals start their life from a zygote, which develops into an embryo that grows into adult. The adult produce egg and sperm. The fusion of sperm and egg leads to zygote. This whole cyclic order is known as life cycle. In some animals, the young ones may look very different from the adults. For example, in case of frog, fertilized egg develops into tadpoles, which later develops into adult frog. The tadpoles, which is very different from the adult frog and is unable for jumping, transforms into adult frog that is capable of jumping and swimming. The process of transformation of the larva into an adult through drastic change is called metamorphosis. Like frog, metamorphosis is also found in silkmouth and butterfly. Budding. Budding is asexual reproduction. The organism like hydra develops a bulge called bud. This bud develops into an adult hydra-like structure, which when gets separated from the parent hydra leads independent life. Another example of asexual reproduction by budding is seen in yeast. Binary fission. The process of reproduction in which an animal reproduces by dividing into two individuals known as binary fission. For example, amoeba asexually reproduce by binary fission. We have completed the lesson. Hope you understand it.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.
Thank you.